Hi guys, it's Jan. Today is my first day at my part-time job. I'm excited and praying that everything goes well. At the same time, I'm still working on my side hustle, my digital business, and you know what? This is amazing. I don't have to leave my current job. I only spent about 2 hours a day using my phone. I'm learning an online business with automation now. Imagine this 3 to 5 years from now. After doing this consistently, I truly feel like my breakthrough is on the way. Yes, I'm just sharing this especially for OFW, breadwinner like me, stay at home moms, and anyone who's willing to learn something new. If you are curious about how I do this, just message me info and I'll send it to you a free 20 minutes overview video that explain everything step by step. See you there. God bless. Bye.